Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the following figure shows the values of the angles in a triangle in terms of x. The sum of the interior angles on any triangle is 180. What is the value of the measurement of angle C? Okay, so basically I'm looking for this angle that is here. Okay, but I do not know the measurement because it's only represented with the expression 3x minus 10. Okay, but the problem is giving me something that is very important for us to consider, and it says that the sum of the interior angles on any triangle is 180. So how is that gonna help me work on my question? Well, think about it from this perspective. So that means that the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B plus the measurement of angle C, all of that needs to be equals to 180, right? So now that's gonna help me because all my angles A, B, and C, they have the same variable, right? So we should be able to work it out. So measurement of angle A, what is it that that one is represented with? X plus 8. So I'm gonna write it down. What about angle B? Well, that's x minus 18. And the last one, it's 3x minus 10. So basically what I did is I replaced each angle with the expression that is represented with. Okay, now before I even do any combining like terms or anything like that, I want you to go back and look at the x's, the ones that are by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down a 1. I know most of you guys should know what to do, but I like writing the 1 so that you can see what exactly is going to happen once I do combining like terms. So I am going to combine all my x's. And they all have a plus, plus, plus. That means that they're all positive. So if I add all of them, okay, I have 1x, I have another 1x, and I have another 3x. So that gives me 5x's, right? Okay, so I'm going to write it down over here. Now I can also combine my constants, right? So I have a 8, negative 18, and negative 10. If I combine all of them, I get negative 20. Therefore, I'm going to write down minus 20. And all of that needs to be equals to 180. Okay? So what do I need to do next? Well, now I see that before I had too many x's. Now I only have this term for the x's, right? Which is good. So I need to get rid of it, or I need to eliminate my minus 20. And the way that I eliminate a minus 20 is by actually adding 20 on both sides. Okay, so my 20s are gonna cancel because negative and a positive cancel each other, and I'm gonna end it up with 5x's equals to 180 minus 20 gives me a 200. Okay, and what do I need to do next? Well, my 5, which is right next to the x, right? I need to eliminate the 5, which is multiplying the x. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I need to divide by 5. And remember, whatever you do on one side, gotta do it to the other side. 5 divided by 5 gives me a 1. And we know that 1x is the same as x. Therefore, I'm going to write down the x by itself. And 200 divided by 5 gives me 40. So x is equals to 40 degrees. Okay? So what do I need to do next? Because that's not my answer. That's only part of it. So what I need to do now is I need to actually go and find the value for angle C. Is that right? That's the one that I'm looking for. So the measurement of angle C is represented with 3x minus 10. We highlighted earlier, right? So the measurement of angle C will be 3 parentheses minus 10, where 3 will be the x will be replaced with a 40, right? So notice what I did. The 3 is multiplying the x. So the 3 is still there, but the x is being replaced with a 40. Okay? So let's continue. The measurement of angle C will be equals to 120 minus 10, because that's 3 times 40. So the measurement of angle C is actually 110 degrees, right? So my answer will be letter D for that one.